Oh, she taking pictures of my car. She look nice though. I wonder what she do. How you doing? I like your car. You got a very nice car.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Madison.
Madison. I'm Tico.
Tico.
Nice to meet you. My bad to interrupt you. What do you do?
I do content creation.
Okay, you content create. That's how you afford this nice car?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You like it?
Yeah, I do. That's why I came over here.
Yeah.
Well, I'm a content creator too. Let me lock in your number. We could probably do business one day.
Nah, it's okay.
Huh?
It's okay. I'm busy right now.
We just, no, it's business, you know what I'm saying? Like, you never know when come in handy. All right, it's all good.
Yeah.
Enjoy your pictures. What's on you loose, son?
Oh, this is your car?
Talking about this your car.